Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C11 2021, and let me share with you how to how to turn on the option to suggest emojis on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Now we have to enter languages and input, and just take a look on the keyboard section. So let's tap on the on-screen keyboard and tap on the keyboard you're currently using. So of course in my case it is Gboard, so let's tap on it, and here let's enter text correction. And as you can see, on the 4th position we've got show emoji suggestions option, which is in my case turned on. But if you've got it turned off, so if it looks like it, then all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher, and from now on this option is active, so your device will be allowed to show you some emojis whilst typing. Of course you can turn it off the same way if you want to. So actually this is it. This is how to show emoji suggestions in your REALME C11 2021. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.